Move. Move. Move.
What was that?
I think it's bird dogs again.
Again?
Again.
We got Buckaroo?
Buckaroo, which is...
Is that like kangaroo?
No.
Oh.
It's a sweet and delicious berry blend with several berries infused.
Like, what kind of berries do you think are in this?
Honestly, probably blueberries, blackberries, raspberry. I don't know. All I know is it's actually very, very good. This one I am actually
Smells like
really
a
in
smoothie.
love with. What kind of this? I'm gonna drip a little bit more on there. 'Cause I smoked most of it.
By the way, this is 845 guys,
Vapor's Guide.
and I'm Ray.
And I'm Justin. Don't forget that.
Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit us up on Facebook.
Yeah.
845 guys Vapors Guide and 845 guys 845 Vouched Vapors Club as well.
If you live in our area. Which they don't, probably. They might.
Most of them probably do.
Most of them do. Because we are hated and not loved.
Nobody loves us.
Nobody loves us. Oh well.
It happens.
Back to the juice. What do you think of it? I think it's amazing.
See, if my battery wasn't most of the way dead right now, I'd tell you how I thought about it. But seeing as I have to change my battery,
Yeah.
can't tell you right this second. Now I might be able to tell you. In like 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. And let's hope.
And fuck you.
Yep, still giving me a hard time. Yeah, I might have to do that.
Drip it.
Drip it.
Need some water. Drip.
Well, you know. These regulated mods.
While he's doing that, I want to shout out again to Vape Dogs for hooking us up.
Vape Dogs at vapedogs.net.
www.vapedogs.net.
And we also, like we said before, we hope everything goes good down there in Texas and you guys are okay and safe.
Again, no PG.
Blueberry.
Yeah, you get a lot of blueberry.
Blueberry and raspberry.
Yeah. You get a lot of different berries, but
Yeah, you do.
that's the main berries that I tasted. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, there's a battery in there.
Where?
In that one.
In the charger?
No, in mine. The white one. I just remembered that.
That's alright. It's probably dead.
Nope.
Just like me.
Nope, it's just your hopes and dreams.
Oh! Yeah. Everyone. Hopes and dreams. But especially mine.
Yeah.
Let's see if this one actually works this time. Technical difficulties.
Well, like I said, I like it a lot. I haven't had much.
Oh, we're live.
I told you. I haven't had much of the bird line, but from what I had, this is definitely one of my favorites.
Let me drip that shit.
I had Buddy, I think, before, which is an peach orange, which was very, very, very good. I'm a big orange fan, so. But,
Which one was it, Buddy?
Buddy. It's a unique mixture.
Is that like Air Buddy?
I don't know. Maybe, because it's a bird.
But that would be a dog.
You are corny. But it's a unique mixture explosion of peach and orange. Polly is a sweet and subtle lemon lime mixture sure to please your taste buds.
What is that? I taste something.
I don't know.
What are you at right now?
What do you mean?
Watts.
Watts? 80.
Bump it up. See if you can taste this. Tell me what I'm tasting.
If this thing will let me. It's 80, the highest this goes. Well, it's not letting me go any higher. See? I don't know. You play with it. But, like I was saying, Dixie is a tropical blend of pineapple mango with just the right amount sweet and tangy flavors. Then we have the Buckaroo that we're having right now. We had Smoochie in our last video, which honestly, I didn't give that much credit. It was a lot better than I said it was.
I like this one. It tastes like
This one's
smoothie.
really good, but
like a berry smoothie.
that one was pretty good. I just not, like I said, it wasn't my personal favorite, but I didn't get it as much credit as I should have because it was a lot better than I thought it was. I vaped it a little longer after that, and it came out a lot better. But and then they have one more, which is a June bug. It's a delicious tropical drink complete with a Malibu rum. That's probably really good. You could look at it if you want. You get it?
Look at that nice little parrot at the bottom.
Pretty. And,
And like I said again,
plastic.
laminated.
Laminated.
Every company, if you have people doing reviews for your juice, should get laminated cards. Because this one's working.
You're a weird person, Raymundo.
Still trying to figure out what that is.
Oh, give me 1 second. Get a little fresh drippy on there.
Fresh drippy. Is
Drippy
that
drip.
what you call it nowadays?
Drip.
Drip drip.
So drip.
The
Up,
drip.
That sounds like a bad sexual disease.
Yeah, it does. At least you caught on to that. Does it taste like a raspberry? Is that what it is?
Raspberry or blackberry? I think it might be blackberry. Definitely.
So everybody watching this, pick up this juice and tell us what you think this berry that I'm tasting is.
Yeah,
Because I have no clue what it is.
he thinks it's raspberry. I think it's blackberry. I don't know.
Sure.
Not sure. So comment below and tell us.
You got to get the juice first, but
Yeah,
let us know.
definitely.
But anyway, thank you again, Vape Dogs, for sending us a nice variety of juices to
A nice little care
Review.
package. Put that
a
away.
care package. That's
They
what
sent us a little bit more than just juice.
I know.
I got the sticker ring on the back of my car already.
I already heard about that. So thank you again, and we'll be seeing you later. Motherfuckers.
Goodbye.